Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Do-Re-Mi filter on TikTok. So if you want to join the viral Do-Re-Mi challenge or the perfect pitch challenge on TikTok, through this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and apply the Do-Re-Mi filter on TikTok. So you can use this filter to create fun videos and to show off your voice. So let's just open the TikTok application. So there are two methods that you can do to find the filter. So the first one that you can do is just use the search feature on TikTok. You can click on this magnifying glass icon at the top right corner and then just find the keyword perfect pitch filter. And in here you can see there are this filter will be shown. You can see there are three options: voice through, perfect pitch challenge, and the perfect pitch challenge 2. So you can just choose which one that you want to use and then click on this red button to start recording using that filter or effects. So that's the first method, and the second method is that you can just open the TikTok camera first, tap on this plus icon, and then just choose the durations. I'm going to go with 60 seconds, and now you can just find the filter first. So click on the filter and tap on view all effects. Let's just start it. Click on this, click on search, and again you can just use the keyword perfect pitch challenge. This one, and again you can just use this red button to start using it. Now you can just start recording. So you can see how to play is just you can just sing the correct pitch to win. So you can just click on this button. Now you can just sing to win the challenge. After you are done with the challenge, you can just click on this check icon and you can show off if you are the winner by uploading the results to your TikTok account. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.